Here's my honest review of the EPOMAKER HE68 keyboard. First of all, it looks great in my setup, and it has this braided cable that makes the product feel very premium. It also has a Windows and Mac switch. The build quality is also nice with a nice feeling plastic and an aluminum alloy plate. Again, you can see how good it looks, and here's your sound test. So obviously this keyboard is Mastech approved. Go check it out in my bio and make sure to like, follow, and comment.